In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve time entries in QuickBooks Online. First, open QuickBooks Online and head to the Time area. You'll find Time on the left-hand navigation menu. This is your hub for everything related to tracking hours. From here, click Approvals. This page gives you a streamlined path to finalize hours before they move into payroll or billing. You'll see a green button labeled Launch QuickBooks Time. Go ahead and click that. QuickBooks Time is the connected time tracking tool, and clicking the button opens it so you can complete your approvals in one place. Once QuickBooks Time opens, navigate to Approvals there as well. This is where you'll do the actual review. At the top, make sure you're looking at the correct date range, typically the current pay period. If you manage several teams or locations, you can filter to focus on a specific group to keep things tidy. Now, review the pending time entries for your team. Scan through each person's total hours and look for anything that stands out, like unusually high or low totals. Open entries as needed to check details such as daily hours, job or customer codes, and any notes your team added. Pay attention to overtime, breaks, and changes from the usual schedule. If something doesn't look right, it's best to follow up with the team member or your manager before moving on, so your approvals remain accurate. When everything looks good, select the entries you want to approve. You can select individual employees or choose multiple entries at once to speed things up. If you're approving a full pay period, batch selection can save a lot of time. Double-check that the correct dates and people are selected so you don't miss anyone. Finally, click Approve. You'll typically see a confirmation that the entries are approved. After approval, those hours are locked in for the period, which helps keep your records consistent and prevents accidental changes. Approved time is now ready to flow into payroll, job costing, and reports, giving you confidence that your numbers are up to date. If your workflow requires a second pair of eyes, you can follow your internal process to have a manager review before you approve, but the steps remain the same. That's all there is to it. Go to Time in QuickBooks Online, click Approvals, launch QuickBooks Time, open Approvals there, review the pending entries, select what's ready, and click Approve. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.